We really fed up. We fed up. We looking for help, and if we ain't get help, we taking action in we own way. We going to block up the road, set fire, and who vex? Vex.
And around midday, the residents burnt tires and other debris, blocking all 3 streets. When TV6 arrived, the fire officers had already put out the fire. The residents, though, still upset over the years of neglect. This resident says she's not in support of the action taken by the residents, but she understands why the youth from the area embarked on protest.
They're living day to day, they're existing. They're existing. Now they stop the shooting. They start telling us they're going to bring this and they're going to do that, and then we can't get nobody doing it. I mean, come on, man. People need to get to know that we are serious. We want things done. We are serious. We vote for these people.
2 weeks ago, the residents met with a team of cabinet ministers and highlighted their problems. One of those, the dilapidated condition of the apartments they live in. From faulty electrical wiring to lack of ventilation, broken windows and doors, the problems are numerous. Ms. Green says the people are simply frustrated.
We're living in a place where we want to live. We want to stop existing. We want to live. Our children want to live. All they're doing is cursing and carrying on whatever they see the other one do, because that's all the grown people doing, because they're frustrated.
There was a heavy police presence today to ensure the situation did not get out of control. Shamla Prasad, TV6 News.